Have you ever wanted to counter TNT? Well, today I'm going to show you how to do it. 1, 2, 3. Alright guys, don't forget to leave a like and thank you so much for watching. Okay, guys, I'm just kidding. Actually, I've made a data pack that is going to do the work for you. So you don't have to do anything once you install it, you just have to set the display of the counter, for example, to your sidebar with this command right here. And what it's going to do is it's going to make the counter appear to your right. Here we already got ignited set to 0. That is going to be the TNT that is currently active and about to explode, as you can see here. And there's also going to be a counter for the total TNT that has been ignited in your world. This is a permanent one, and it is going to go up the more TNT you blow up. So here, for example, we have 5 TNT, we already have 1, and now we have 2 at the total. And it's going up to 3, it's going up to, well, it's not going up to 4 because it failed. I don't know how you failed. But now it went up to 6. So we had 1 plus 5 equals 6. That's perfect. If you want to reset it, you can do that with one simple command, which is function, and then you go to TNT_count : reset. This is going to set all of the values to 0, and you're going to have a fresh counter. And now let's blow up 1000 TNT and see if the counter is accurate. So as you can see, 1000 blocks of TNT. Let's blow it up. Okay, so we got 1000 that we were looking for, and it's perfect. So thank you guys so much for watching. The download link is in the description, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.